Hello my dear students. Once again I welcome you all to another episode of Noble Mathematics. We'll find a way or make one. In the previous video, we have seen how to solve a pair of linear equations in two variables graphically. In today's video, we will see how to solve some word problems based on linear equations in two variables graphically. Today's first question is from NCERT textbook, exercise 3.2, question number 1, first one. See the question. 10 students of a class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the mathematics quiz. This is a word problem. According to the question, there are 10 students in the class and they took part in a mathematics quiz. The number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Whenever you get a question, word problem based on a pair of linear equations in two variables, it is very important to read and understand the question. So you can find two unknown values in such questions. Two unknown values means you have to find the value of two quantities. Here, those two unknown values are the number of boys and number of girls. You know that in a class there can be boys and girls. So according to the question, 10 students of a class 10 took part in the mathematics. This means the total number of students in the class is 10, which comprises of boys and girls. So here the two unknown values to be considered are number of boys and number of girls, which we will represent by using two variables x and y. Let number of boys is equal to x and number of girls is equal to y. So the two unknown values are number of boys and number of girls, which we represent by using x and y. Now you have to read and understand the question, and you will get two conditions to form two equations in two variables. Here it is clear from the first line of the question that 10 students of the class 10. That means total number of students in the class is 10. Total number of students means number of boys plus number of girls. According to question, total students is equal to 10. Total students is equal to 10 means that is the sum of the boys and the girls. Therefore, we can say that x plus y is equal to 10, which is equation number 1. Now we have to form one more equation. For forming the next equation, the next sentence gives us the condition that the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Now, number of girls is equal to number of boys plus 4. The number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. So, number of girls is equal to number of boys plus 4. Therefore, we can say that y is equal to x is the number of boys plus 4, which is equation number 2. So, we have formed a pair of linear equations in two variables x and y, where x and y represent the number of boys and number of girls. Now we have to find the values of x and y, and to find the values of x and y, we have to solve the equations x plus y is equal to 10 and y is equal to x plus 4. That is a system of linear equations in two variables. Here we are going to solve by graphical method. To solve a pair of linear equations in graphical method, we need at least two set of solutions for both the equations, and we will draw the graph, and if there is a unique solution, the two straight lines representing the two equations will intersect exactly at one point, and the coordinates of the point of intersection gives us the values of x and y. So the next step is to draw the graph for these two equations. From equation 1, we have x plus y is equal to 10. If x is equal to 0, if x is equal to 0, then if x is equal to 0, 0 plus y is equal to 10, therefore y is equal to 10. If y is equal to 0, then x plus 0 is equal to 10, hence x is equal to 10. So we are getting a set of solutions for the first equation. So I will write the solutions in the tabular form. So here, if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 10, and if y is equal to 0, x is equal to 10. Now we have to solve the next equation and find two solutions. From equation 2, we have y is equal to x plus 4. Here also, if x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 plus 4, which is equal to 4. And if x is equal to minus 2, if x is equal to minus 2, then y is equal to minus 2 plus 4, which is equal to 2. So the two solutions can be written in the tabular form. And they are, if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4, and if x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 2. Sorry, y is equal to 2. So we have the solutions, two set of solutions for both the equations. Now we are going to draw the graph for these two equations. For the first equation, the two set of solutions are 0, 10 and 10, 0. Here 0, 10, x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 10, so it will be here. This is the first coordinate point. Second one is x 10, y 0, x 10, y 0, that will be on the x-axis. So joining these two, we get a straight line. So this is the straight line representing the first equation. I write this is x plus y is equal to 10. So this is the first straight line representing the equation x plus y is equal to 10. The next one is the second equation, y is equal to x plus 4. The solution is 0, 4. X coordinate 0, y coordinate 4. This is 0, 4. Second one is minus 2, 2. X coordinate minus 2, y coordinate 2. This will be something here. So, on joining these, you get a straight line. So, it is clear from the graph that this is the point of intersection. And the coordinates of the point of intersection is approximately, the x coordinate is 3 and you can see the y coordinate is here, that is 7. So the coordinates of the point of intersection of the two straight lines is x coordinate 3, y coordinate 7. It means that the value of x is equal to 3, that is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 7. X is equal to 3 means the number of boys is equal to 3. Y is equal to 7 means the number of girls is equal to 7. So, from the graph, it is clear that therefore, from the graph, we can say that number of boys is equal to 3 and number of girls is equal to 7. The next question we are going to discuss is question number 5 of exercise 3.2 from NCERT textbook. The question is, half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its breadth is 36 meter. Find the dimensions of the rectangular garden. I repeat the question. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its breadth is 36 meter. Find the dimensions of the garden. See the question. As I told you, in each question you can find two unknown values. Here the two unknown values are length and breadth. So we can represent these unknown values, that is the length and breadth, by using two variables x and y. The next part is to find out the two conditions to form the two equations. First one is the perimeter. The perimeter is not given, but half of the perimeter is given. You can see that half the perimeter of the rectangular garden is 36 meter. Half the perimeter of the rectangular garden is 36 meter. Second condition is the length is 4 meter more than its width. So using these two conditions, we can form the linear equations in two variables and we will solve them graphically to find the values of the two unknown values, length and breadth. Let length is equal to x and breadth is equal to y. According to question, length is 4 meter more than the breadth. So length is equal to breadth plus 4. That is, we can say that length x is equal to y plus 4. That means we get the equation x minus y is equal to 4, which is the first equation. Now the second condition is half of the perimeter. Half of the perimeter is equal to 36 meter. If you read the first line, first sentence itself, we can understand that half the perimeter is 36 meter. Half the perimeter means 1 by 2 into. The formula for the perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. Half the perimeter is equal to 36. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So here we get length x plus breadth y is equal to 36, which is equation number 2. The next step is to draw the graph representing these two equations, which was explained in the previous video. The graph representing these two equations you can see on the screen, and it is clearly visible that the two straight lines intersect at the point 20, 16, which shows that the value of x is equal to 20 and the value of y is equal to 16. That is, length is equal to 20 meter and breadth is equal to 16 meter. I hope you understood both the questions discussed today, and also I believe that you will be able to do such questions. That is all for today. We will meet in the next class with some other questions. Till then, take care. Goodbye.